welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this cotton candy look. Here's a little close-up for you guys. So I've been promising you guys a giveaway and it's finally here, guys. I will be giving away the James Charles palette. Also the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. And I'll put a picture here of both of these palettes and how they look, because I don't want to open them. And I'm also giving away the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I am giving away the Bite Beauty Lipstick in the color Pepper. And also I'll be adding this, I do not know how to pronounce that, but it's like a leave-in conditioner for your hair. It's amazing. I've tried this before. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I will be giving away all these things. To enter this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to me, you have to follow me on Instagram, and that's it. Those are all my rules. I will end this giveaway at this date. I don't know yet when I'm gonna get to editing this video, so that's why I'm gonna pronounce the giveaway winner on Instagram. And now without further ado, here is the tutorial. I will be starting off by doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Morphe Arch Obsession Brow Kit. So it's this pomade. How I usually do my eyebrows is that I outline them first, and I make sure in the front I don't press too hard so it's not like dark, but then once I stretch it out while I outline it, I start pressing harder. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the top. After I outline them, I just fill it in with light pressure near the front of my brows, but harder pressure near the end, the middle and the end. Then I take the spoolie and I just brush the extra pomade to the front of the brow. After that, I'm going to be taking the Morphe brow pencil, which is like a little brush in the end, and also the pencil. So I'm just going to lightly put hair-like strokes into my brow. And then I'm going to use the eyebrow gel that I also get with the kit. After I filled in my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe highlight. It's like a concealer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer. And I'm going to apply that on top of my lid. I'm going to use this as an eye primer all around my eye because I'm going to be applying eyeshadow all around it. Now I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush like this, and I will be taking the James Charles palette. I'm going to be taking Hello, which is this very, very icy blue. Matches my nails. Now I'm going to apply the icy blue in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to bring it out to the middle of my eyelid. And I'm going to apply Hello on the bottom right here. If you look up, it might help. And I'm also going to bring that out halfway. I'm going to apply that one more time. Next, I'm going to be taking a pointy flat brush like this one. I'm going to be taking Artistry from the James Charles palette, which is a shimmering purple. So taking your eyebrow and stretching it out, and then a little above the corner of your eye over here, try to draw a wing. And bring it into your crease just like that. And bring it halfway to where the blue is. And I'm going to take more Artistry on my brush. And I'm going to start applying that in circular motions right after the blue. And bring it out to the wing. like getting the metallic look, if you know what I mean. After that, I'm gonna apply some on my bottom lashes. Mix it in with the blue. And now I'm gonna take some more of my concealer and I'm gonna apply that on my lid. All over my lid. And also try to make a pointier wing by cleaning all that out. And now from the James Charles palette, I'm going to be taking Flashback, which is this white. And I'm going to be taking a flat brush like this. I'm going to apply that white all over my lid. So I did the best I could without messing it up too much. But I'm going to apply some more of that white right under the wing. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush and apply some more artistry, but right above the crease. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX matte liquid liner. Oops. And we're going to draw a wing. Now I'm going to be taking the Lisa Frank Glamour Doll Stargazing Shimmer eyeshadow. It's broken, but you know, it's a very, very shimmery gold. I'm going to apply that shadow right under my teardrop. Now I'm going to be taking the Beauty Evolved black eyeliner and I'm going to apply that on my top waterline. Now I'm going to be taking the Unlashed mascara by Wonder Beauty and I'm going to apply that on my eyelashes, top ones and bottom. We are all done with our eye makeup and I am loving it. So now we're going to go to our face makeup. I'm going to first start off by applying some primer all over my face. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty primer. Now I'm going to be taking a wet beauty blender and I'm going to take my favorite foundation, which is Born This Way by Too Faced. Alright, after my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm going to put it under my eyes, down my nose, on my forehead, and around my mouth. I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Shapeshifter, and I will be using the powder contour, which is the darkest one. And I'm going to apply this contour under my cheekbones, under my jawline, and also on my forehead, along with my nose. Oh, hell no. That was a lot. And I'm going to take a slightly pointy brush for my nose. Very light pressure. Now I'm going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I'm going to be taking the Essence lip liner in the color 11, which is Sucker for Gray. Actually, I really like this lip liner, so I'm just going to fill in my lips with this lip liner. Now for blush, I will be using the Note Desert Rose. It's like an orange color. Now for my highlighter, I will be going back into the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using the gold highlighter, which is this one. And apply some highlighter right on my nose, on the tip, and then down right in the middle. Some above my lip, some on my forehead, just for that little glow, you know. So yeah, this is my finished look. I seriously really like it. It's so cute. I love it. It's like a cotton candy, cute look. I'd wear this out. It's very bold. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you guys want to enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video if you liked it, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.